First of all, tell us who you are, which is your party.
My party is the PTI, and I was one of the candidates in the list filed by the PTI for reserved seats in the National Assembly
Did you
from the
join
province of Punjab.
Sunni Ittehad Council?
No.
You're the only one.
No, because I have not been elected. So I remain unelected and
okay.
आपको तो select करना था ना किसी पार्टी
and therefore I am aggrieved of the fact that seats have not been offered to PTI or the Sunni Ittehad Council.
अच्छा, आप candidate.
So I am a candidate who was denied because this list was not accepted by the Election Commission ultimately. And against
So you are invoking your right under the reserved seats.
Yes.
That's what.
So she was a candidate.
Reserved seat on the basis of general seat won or secured by PTI.
Yes, or ultimately I would have joined SIC had the occasion arisen.
और की बात
आप अपना grievance पहले बताएं. Let's hear your case, then we'll ask.
आपके फॉर्म 6 देखिए ये मसले सारे फॉर्म से बने हैं ना. ये फॉर्म 66 है. फॉर्म 66 में बताया जाता है कि जो रिजर्व कैंडिडेट होता है उसको अपनी पार्टी एफिलिएशन बतानी.
तहरीक इंसाफ.
आपने तहरीक इंसाफ बताया.
जी तहरीक इंसाफ.
तो इसका मतलब ये है कि तहरीक इंसाफ के कैंडिडेट होने के नाते आप चाहते हैं कि आप तहरीक इंसाफ की रिजर्व सीट पे तहरीक इंसाफ के लिए इलेक्ट हो.
नो, मैं दोनों बातें चाहता हूँ. Either that, there are two ways forward.
पहले आप अपना grievance बताइए मुझे.
दोनों बताइए कैसे हो सकते.
There are two routes now. Either I be elected as a PTI candidate, or I be allowed to join SIC and be elected as an SIC
कोई
candidate.
आइन या कानून इसकी इजाजत
जी देते हैं.
आइदर का लफ्ज है.
जी मैं अर्ज करता हूँ ना, मुझे इजाजत दीजिए. That is the heart of the matter. If I may, allow me to start with the reading of Article 51. I respectfully submit that some aspects of it need to be re-examined. And my basic propositions are simple. Let me just state those. That there is nothing in Article 51(6)(d) or E.
Hey, Mr. Salman Raja, I think coming to that argument will be later. We just want to understand the connection first. This is a woman who wanted to come in on the reserve seats. She could have only come in had some independent or a political party would have, a PTI ke list mein thi. So your question first would be that PTI has actually a political party in the elections. That was dislodged by the ECP's decision. Did she challenge that decision of the ECP?
In a writ petition, yes.
She did challenge that.
The other
वो तो हमारे सामने नहीं है ना.
Where is that decision?
Step wise चले ना.
जी.
She was aggrieved of the fact that her political party, which were to elect her,
Yes.
Was somehow taken out of the scheme.
Yes.
So that decision, did she challenge?
The women's wing, other members of...
Where is that decision?
पर वो भी मैं आपको देता हूँ. मुझे
सलमान साहब ऐसे तो नहीं आर्ग्यू होते.
इस तरह ना करें ना. देखें ना एक तरीके से.
It is here. I need to file it.
बिल्कुल करें आप, लेकिन let's not jump the gun. Let's go step wise. आप कहते हैं कि मैं एक रिजर्व सीट की कैंडिडेट हूँ. PTI अगर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी स्कीम में आएगी तो आपको इलेक्ट करेगी. PTI को आउस्ट कर दिया ECP ने. बिल्कुल आप उसको चैलेंज कर सकते थे. उसको चैलेंज किया है और उसका फैसला हमारे सामने है तो हम देख सकते हैं ना. अब आप किस तरह आ रहे हैं? How do you just skipping all that and you saying directly coming to us?
मैं ये अर्ज कर रहा हूँ. The Election Commission took the position both in this matter, the reserved list.
What is the position of Election Commission is irrelevant. They may be taking a wrong position. My lord का सवाल ये है. They passed an order. Did you challenge it? You said yes.
Yes.
So where is that order?
मैं अभी आपको देता हूँ.
ये अभी की बात नहीं, but that's not been assailed.
No.
That been assailed before us.
No, allow me to explain. Then I filed my petition, which is before your lordships, in which I said I be treated as...
पहला रूल होता है of any petitioner, full disclosure of all material facts. You're not disclosing this fact. Why should we even hear you? You're not showing us that order.
I'm not here because of that order. I'm here because
we want to see it.
I will provide it. Other members of...
I don't know what it says.
So that order is not the issue. मुझे अर्ज करने दें. Let me explain.
You have to answer the question.
I am. Kamal
अभी दे दें, हमें दिखाइए order दे दें.
I think मैंने जो दिया था उसके अंदर वो भी था शायद. I gave more documents than I was meaning to give at that time.
आपने मुझे एक ये दिया था, दो
इसके साथ दो हैं शायद जी. इसमें the Election Commission then issued a notice to us after the High Court referred the matter to the Election
नहीं
Commission.
हमारे पास order.
मैं अभी आपको दे दूंगा. मुझे
मिस्टर सलमान, फॉर माय क्लैरिटी, आपका केस ये है कि देखें PTI आउट नहीं हो सकती थी पॉलिटिकल फ्रॉम द इलेक्शंस. आप आइए जरा सा. आपका ये केस है ना कि PTI की एफिलिएशन से जो लोग लड़े हैं, PTI is actually contesting the elections and PTI could not have been taken out of the elections. Is that your main plank?
Yes, twofold.
Having said that, आपसे सिर्फ ये पूछा जा रहा है कि बीच में एक order आ गया. Are you telling us to take a notice of that under Article 187? What are you saying? How do we touch that order in between?
Mayor's
What are you saying, sir?
That order gets subsumed by the ultimate order of the Election Commission, which denies SIC.
That order which we have no idea what it is, is not before us.
But-
Mr. Salman Sahab, sorry to say this is.
Will not allow me-
I will not. How can I allow you something?
But I am coming to the heart of the matter, which is the final order of the Election Commission. And
अगर आप
then the
माइक के
order of
करीब
the
माइक के करीब आपकी आवाज सही नहीं आ रही माइक के करीब.
The order of the Election Commission finally and of the
Is this
Peshawar
your
High
only
Court.
petition before the Supreme Court, or have you filed anything else?
I filed when my personal case was not in.
Where is PTI in all of this?
So she's a member of the
Can you
PTI.
please
no,
answer
there
the
are
question?
many numbers.
I've asked you a question. Can you please answer it? Have you filed anything else?
I have filed with CM 5839.
So apart from what is before us right now, have you filed any other petition
No.
in your name?
No.
You haven't filed any?
No.
Have you challenged any order of the Election Commission?
No, because those orders were challenged by other members of the PTI, and therefore those orders finally applied.
Have they come to us?
जी
Have they come to us?
अब ये देखिए
Are they before us? Have they been challenged before us?
जी जी
Those orders are not before us.
नहीं but I am aggrieved of the final order of the Election Commission.
उसके बाद में
Final order.
Election Commission का order
पहले तो आप ये वाली पोजीशन क्लियर कर देना कि आपके खिलाफ एक ऑर्डर आया
जी।
जिसमें आपको फॉर्म 66 में डिक्लेयर कर दिया और फॉर्म 33 में
जी।
कि ये कैंडिडेट जो है ये इंडिपेंडेंट है
जी।
हालांकि वो इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं थे
आपने तो इलेक्शन कंटेस्ट ही नहीं की ना, तो आप पर तो वो
कभी नहीं
लगता
दिया,
नहीं है ना.
कभी
यू आर
नहीं।
रिजर्व सीट, तो
सलमान
आप पर
साहब?
लगता नहीं
जी,
है.
हाँ, देखिए-
आप पोस्ट इलेक्शन आए हैं और आप अग्रीव्ड हैं पोस्ट इलेक्शन ऑर्डर से. वो कौन सा ऑर्डर है दैट यू आर अग्रीव्ड बाय?
The order of the Election Commission.
डेट कौन सा है?
जी the order which is the impugned order in
ये जो
these.
बाकी में इम्प्यून हुआ हुआ है,
ये बताएं
ये तो
ये
SIC से रिलेट करता है ना. देखें प्लीज जरा सा देखें, जरा मिस हैंडल हो रही है सिचुएशन. आपका केस हमारे सामने ये बना के लाए हैं कि एक्चुअली PTI हैज वन द इलेक्शन और PTI वाज इन द इलेक्शंस. ये आपका केस है, इसीलिए मुझे रिजर्व सीट पर लेना चाहिए था. बीच में ECP ने डिसाइड कर दिया कि वो पार्टी नहीं है. जो मेंबर्स जिन्होंने कंटेस्ट करना था उन्होंने डिक्लेरेशन दे दी कि हम इंडिपेंडेंट हैं, वो जाके SIC चले. नाउ द impugned judgment before us is whether SIC is a political party or not,
Yes.
and whether at all proportional representation आएगा.
Yes.
आपका जो प्लैंक है, you are on the PTI card. वो
No,
तो बीच
I'm
में है
saying
नहीं
both
ना.
things.
You're
I'm
not
saying-
the SIC.
No, I'm saying both things.
आप एक चीज और बता
आप
दें कि
अगर अपना पहला आर्ग्यूमेंट कर लेना.
आप जरा बता दें आप SIC की लिस्ट में है
नहीं
जी 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 SIC ने जो लिस्ट दी है उसमें भी हूँ.
वो दिखाएं, वो दिखाएं.
बस बात
वो
खत्म हो
दिखा दे, बात खत्म हो जाती है.
तो फिर तो अगर आप SIC जीत जाती है तो आपको ऑटोमेटिकली
सब कुछ है, सिर्फ कागज नहीं है.
तो दिया ही नहीं ना. Sorry, we will not give you this indulgence.
No, no,
We unnumbered petition, you just walked into the
No,
Supreme
not just
Court.
walked in, Lord. Kindly
Well, what
see.
are we hearing?
Lord,
There is an order of Lahore High Court, you're not showing that to us.
SIC की लिस्ट दिखा दें.
You're not showing us the order of the election
Lord,
commission.
allow me
SIC has filed a list.
Yes,
Have a
yes,
look in
yes.
that and show us your name if it's
कोई देख लें, है आप बीच
जी
में.
मुझे अर्ज थोड़ा सा ये करने दें कि शी इज अ मेंबर ऑफ द PTI.
ये आप ये बार बार ना
वो तो
कहना, हमने
उसका
नोट कर लिया, she's a member
And
of the women's wing, सुन ली बात.
therefore,